This powerful herb can cleanse your lungs of dust, mold, bacteria and chemicals. How to use it? First, you need to know that there are many things that can cause problems for our respiratory organs, such as allergies, asthma, harmful organisms, and even inhalation of various pollutants. And the most common symptoms and warning signs of respiratory problems are chest congestion, difficulty breathing, and irritated nasal or throat passages, etc. If you've experienced these warning signs or someone close to you has experienced them, you know they can be very disruptive. Well, you should know that this powerful and amazing spice oregano, make sure you use organic, is a powerful tool to include in your lung health arsenal. Effective, reliable and safe organic oregano is naturally rich in carvacrol, flavonoids and terpenes, all of which are natural decongestants and antihistamines. Why oregano? First, let me say a few words about nasal congestion and what causes it. Well, when pollen, dust, mold, chemicals, fungus and bacteria are invading your body, it releases a chemical called histamine. This harmful chemical usually causes a reaction similar to allergic reactions, nasal congestion, increased mucus production, and sneezing. Some of the herbs that contain compounds which can reduce the histamine, like oregano, aid in counteracting histamine and may help reduce these reactions. This is why these herbs are also known by the name histamine-reducing herbs. We can also mention that this amazing herb, oregano, also contains rosmarinic acid. According to a recent study, researchers have discovered that rosmarinic acid reduces fluid buildup and even swelling during an allergy attack, making it a natural histamine-reducing compound. Oregano reduces cough and improves your health. A recent study, conducted by a group of researchers at the ENT department at the Israel Institute of Technology Medical Center, has revealed the therapeutic potential for various aromatic herbs, including oregano. The medical experts have found that this herb has direct positive benefits on the respiratory tract, coughing reflex and nasal passage airflow. We can also mention that oregano also contains high amounts of other healthy nutrients such as calcium, magnesium, zinc, iron, potassium, vitamins A and C, and niacin. Although these healthy nutrients and vitamins don't directly impact upper respiratory problems, all of them are required by the systems within the body, including the immune system. Adequate vitamin and mineral intake is paramount for maintaining a healthy body that can fight off problems such as upper respiratory issues before they start. How to use oregano? There are many different ways you can incorporate this amazing spice into your healthy diet, such as you can consume it as an herb in culinary use as a tincture, tea, or essential oil. You can consume diluted oregano oil to speed recovery during illness. Mix oregano oil with some coconut oil and use it to treat skin infections to boost healing. You can also mix oregano oil as part of an oil pulling routine. You can consume diluted oregano oil, it can help you with allergies. Oregano oil diluted in olive oil can be rubbed on sore muscles and joints for pain relief. You should also know that you can combine dried oregano with other dried herbs like basil, rosemary and thyme. This mix will create an effective facial steam for loosening congestion and calming coughing. You can also use diluted oregano oil to treat athlete's foot and fungal infections. Oregano oil is also very effective in removing warts when used diluted on the skin. This amazing and powerful spice is a very flavorful herb that is often used in different cuisines: Italian, Greek, and Spanish cooking. It is often used in seasoning blends, including Italian seasoning, and pairs well with meats, tomato dishes, and eggs. As you can see, there are different ways to incorporate this super healthy spice in your meals and salads. It will cleanse your lungs from dust, mold, bacteria, and viruses, and it will provide other health benefits due to its high content of healthy nutrients. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share with your friends and family. Thank you.